Hello everyone, this is Andrew Tate with 10X Realty, and I'm standing in front of one of the most unique listings you ever see. Now I know what you're thinking, what an exotic mountain retreat this listing must be. However, you'll see as we pan out, we're on the grounds of a 100-year-old Southampton vibe property that sits high above the enclaves of La Jolla. Boasting 180 degrees of the Pacific Ocean as far as the eyes can see, we are just steps away from the famous La Jolla beaches. Now I'm super excited to show you this. Come on, let's take a tour. Thank you guys so much for taking a tour with me. Now this property really requires a buyer that has that creativity and passion. So let me and my team help you get what you deserve and schedule a safe showing.